Hey everybody, it's James Akers, the tie guy, live in Las Vegas. It's actually Thanksgiving Day, so today I'm wearing an orange tie in honor. Sorry that I haven't produced much content lately. Been a massive transition. I literally moved all the way across the country to Las Vegas and had to reestablish or move my business here, go through all the licensing and all that kind of stuff. Took a while. But I'm at my building right now. This is my view, my background. That's the famous Sphere, the $2.3 billion arena. And I thought it'd be cool to do my videos with that in the background. Today we're just going to tie a standard full Windsor. As you know, it's my favorite knot, with this beautiful orange Stefano Ricci tie in honor of Thanksgiving today. So we're going to do a quick tutorial on it, and then we'll show you how we put the whole outfit together here. First, we've got to find our spot. This is a very thick and long tie, so we're probably going to need somewhere around this range is my guess. Because remember, we want the tip of this tie to be between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. So we're going to take the top of the front of the tie over top of the back, not keep it nice and flat, then come underneath and through. You'll come around behind. The secret is keeping it all together and flat, up and over and through. Now we do our little checkpoint here to make sure we have a little triangle going. We're going to wrap around the front of that little triangle, come down back and behind, up and through, and pull it through. And then we're going to tuck it through the little pocket we just created. Pull this down through, straighten it up a little bit, and then we hold the knot and we pull on the large part of the tie to tighten the knot, and then the back of the tie to bring it up. And we want to check our lift. We want, again, the tip of this tie to be between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle, and we are right there. Perfect. That's absolutely perfect. Bring the collar down now. I'm going to start putting some more content out here, so we will have some good content for you guys. There we go. Okay, let me grab my suit jacket right here. I've got it hanging up right here. Put this together, and we'll go through the outfit with you. I've missed you guys. Today we're wearing a navy blue Xenia suit. We have a light blue Xenia shirt. We have a beautiful orange and blue striped Stefano Ricci tie. We have on a brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt, and we paired that with a pair of brown Christian Louboutin Oxfords. Love this outfit. Looks great. Love having the sphere right here behind me. I'm looking to a camera, so I can't tell. It's right there. There's the sphere. It's a beautiful sphere. Guys, I've missed you. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it helps a little bit. Start watching for more content. I'm going to try to do at least one a week, 2 a month at the very least. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day, and happy Thanksgiving.